Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make chicken shawarma, which is something you can eat on a day in quarantine. So let's get right into the video, guys. So for these we're going to be needing some tortilla wraps, coleslaw, which is basically your cabbage and carrots, some chicken breasts, ketchup, mayonnaise, and your hot dogs.
Purchase your tracks today.
So going into it, we're going to start to season our chicken. So if you want your chicken to be very tasty, make sure that you season nicely, season properly so you can have a flavorful chicken. So I'm going to be using our essential ingredients for seasoning, our old base seasonings. We're going to use our thyme, seasoning cubes, salt, pepper, onions, onion powder, very essential, your thyme, and then we're going to mix everything together just so the chicken can suck in the taste. So we're going to allow the chicken to cook for about 10 minutes before we start to shred.
Purchase your tracks today.
Here, using our forks, I'm going to begin to shred the chicken. So I shred it in a way that is going to fit into the tortilla wrap. You don't want it to be too small or too big. Just make it, sizable. I'm now going to incorporate my chicken sauce water into the chicken that I already shredded, just so I can have some flavor to the chicken and some moisture as well. Put it in the oven for about 25 minutes, and then while it's cooking in the oven, we're going to start to mix our sauce. So I'm now going to use the chicken oil, because you know that chicken brings out oil. I'm going to use the chicken oil to fry a bit of my hot dogs, just for a little bit, just so it can soak in the flavor of the chicken into it. Here we go, our chicken is ready, and here is also our hot dogs. I'm now going to start to make the sauce for the shawarma. For the sauce, I'm going to be using some mayonnaise and ketchup. So some people like to mix the sauce with just the ketchup and the mayonnaise, but I like to add some paprika spice into it, and some more, and also some suya spice, just so you can have some sort of suya taste to it, and a little bit of salt to taste. When you're done, properly mix everything together.
Purchase your tracks today.
So here I'm going to add some of my customized sauce into the cabbage, just so we can have a little taste of the sauce in it. Now finally, I'm going to be incorporating my already done sauce and my cabbage and my chicken into the tortilla wraps, and then I'm going to add a little bit of sauce on top just so everything can have the saucy taste. Don't forget your hot dogs, and then you wrap properly and carefully as well, just so it doesn't spill anything like that. So for the pan I'm going to be using, some people like to use a pot or a grilling machine or anything else that you can use. For right now, I have a baking pan available to me, and that's what I'm going to be using for this. So I'm going to put it into the baking pan and leave it in the oven for about 7 to 10 minutes. You don't want it too long in the oven, or else it's going to get soggy and probably spill as well. Yay! So our shawarma is ready. I like it a little bit crispy, and I like it to have some burnt feel in it. So this is how I like it. You can do it anyhow you like it. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. And I was going to show you guys how the inside looked, but I forgot to film that part. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.